Special counsel Jack Smith moved last month to order U.S. District Court Judge Tanya S. Chutkan to impose a limited gag order on former President Donald Trump, who has been indicted 4 times. Since that appeal, the argument for restricting Trump's outbursts has grown stronger. Choose your plan. Writer judge ordered him not to speak Tuesday. Smith. Other prosecutors who requested a gag order D.C. election interference case argued, since indictment this case, defendant has made derogatory inflammatory public posts on Truth Social almost daily. They added, the defendant's recent extrajudicial statements are intended to undermine public confidence and institution judicial system intimidate confidence individuals court. Jury pool. Witnesses prosecutors. Smith and his team identified phrases that fit each category. They asked the court issue a special order governing matters such as extrajudicial statements of parties, witnesses, and attorneys that are likely to interfere with the defendant's right to fair trial by an impartial jury. The decision only includes statements regarding the identity, testimony, credibility of prospective witnesses, and any derogatory, inflammatory, or intimidating statements about any party, witness, attorney, court personnel, potential jurors. Trump said in opposing the motion that he made any disparaging, threatening, or threatening statements against any party, witness, attorney, court personnel, or potential jurors, effectively asserting the right to harass and intimidate. Trump later proved the necessity of such an order. He suggested that former Chief of Staff Gen. Mark A. Milley, one of the witnesses named in the indictment, should be executed. He told his followers via social media that he had purchased a Glock. This plea was quickly withdrawn because it would have violated the terms of the order allowing him to avoid pre-trial detention. On Monday, in a civil lawsuit in New York, Trump lashed out at New York Attorney General Letitia James, calling her a racist and publicly saying, "You should follow this Attorney General," after Trump started a false rumor and insulted the court clerk on Tuesday. Judge Arthur Engoron decided enough was enough. He ordered both parties to refrain from publishing anything about their personnel after the Milley threat but before the New York threats. Smith offered his response brief. Donald Trump is a criminal defendant like any other. And as this court has correctly stated, it has an obligation to protect the integrity of these proceedings from prejudicial interference. Smith argued, the defendant is publicly slandering witnesses and very deliberately commenting on certain issues of their potential testimony at trial. This is problem, not solution, to inappropriate prejudicial statements made by defendant in context of an ongoing criminal case and trial to promote an intense public debate in media about witnesses' merits of case. They act contrary to the